I'm adding 4 gigs of RAM to this old HP DC7900 computer. There's some buttons on the side right here. You press in to take the cover off. Just slides back and pops off. While I got it open, I'm going to blow some dust out. To take these out, all you do is push down on these tabs on the side, like so, right here, and it kind of pushes it up. You just grab it by the edges and pull. And this one, as you can see, is 1 gig. And what I see on the other is a 2 gig, and the other one is another, it looks the same color, so I think it's another 1 gig. What I have, I'm going to get another 2 gig, get it up to a total of 8 gig. I've got some Crucial RAM. Each one is 2 gig. I'm going to slide in those open slots. And really, the labels are this way. Yep, you can see the difference in the lengths. Keep the labels all going the same way on this. And put it down in the slots. And when you press down, the little clips on the side should come in a little bit. Or all the way. Just make sure they're secure. I'll get another one. Here's another one. Just make sure that the longer tabs are going the right way. And just line it up in the slots and push down. And that's all in there. And that's about it for add some memory to this. It ran okay, but it got really slow and I had to clean it up, and but we'll see how it does. Adding 4 more gig. That's all there is for slots, so yeah, it's just folding everything back down.
What are you doing?
I was recording a video. Putting everything back in place. Snapping the cover on. And that's it. I just got to hook up the monitor and the keyboard, mouse, speakers. And that's it.